Hello, happy homemakers. I am Bailey from My Life as a Homemaker, and today I'm going to be doing the Useful DIY Challenge, and we are doing useful DIYs out of mason jars. And I actually made some for Valentine's Day for a video a while, last month. So anyway, I have a lot of mason jars and stuff, and so I decided I'm really excited to do this challenge. I end up making, I make fake flowers and then I put them in these mason jars that I painted to use as decoration in my living room. So I can't wait for you guys to see them. And this challenge is hosted by Momdas Life Handmade and Sarah Vanderkoo, I think. And I will have both of their channels linked in the description box down below. I will also have a playlist of all the other wonderful YouTubers doing this challenge in the description box down below. And here we go.
Right off the bat, I knew I loved you. You had that sparkle in your eyes, some kind of shimmer in your presence, unlike no other I had met. You got me spinning out of context, not really sure what I should do. This is the reason I am leaving. I can't live with or without you. Oh, won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say. No need to overanalyze it. We grew apart more every day. When times get rough, I try to tell you we need a fight in every way. No hugs, no kisses could protect us from what the future had in store. Love is a flicker in the distance. Oh, you try to grab it and it's gone. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, simple as I say. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say. Won't you sing to me? There ain't no other way but to sing to me, as simple as I say. Oh, simple as I say.
Did you ever stop and think, why spend too much time just getting ready? Let me be honest, I don't know a single thing that I haven't done to make you notice me. Let me be real here. When I see you, my heart starts racing, but I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need so much that I'm still keeping to myself. Cause you don't listen, babe. But still you got me missing you. When I see you, my heart starts racing. But I don't know if I like this chasing and playing and waiting around. It's a shame that my hands start shaking all of the time when you're around me. But this time, girl, I know what's bothering me. I need somebody to love. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Don't you see what's wrong with me? I need somebody to love. Oh, oh, nah, nah. God, I'm sick of this waiting. You got me going crazy tonight. So why don't you come on over and be my somebody to love? Somebody to love, somebody to love, somebody. I need somebody to love. I need somebody.
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out Mom's channel down below and Sarah's channel down below and the playlist, and I will see you next time. Bye guys.